Pull out with 3 is good. Here comes Jimmy. Jimmy trying to back. Oh my God, Jimmy Santos for 2. Jimmy Santos for 2. Pula Kikong. Jab step Pula Kikong. Pula Kikong go to the right. Good D by Jimmy Santos. Fade away. Oh no, Pula Kikong no good. Jimmy. Oh, huh? Jimmy for 3. Oh, Jimmy is good. Oh man. Pula Kikong, you need to D that shit up. Pula Kikong trying to get it back. No good. Jimmy with the rebound. Santos. Oh, huh? Santos. Posting up. Too little. Oh my, what a garbage dude. Here comes Pula. Pula between the legs. Posting up Jimmy. Jimmy stand his ground, fade away, Pula, no good. Rebound by Santos. Jimmy Santos. Pula Kikong. Jimmy Santos backing it up. And throw it up. That dude's garbage like a motherfucker, dude. Here comes Pula Kikong. Backing it up. Oh, nice D, Jimmy. Pula Kikong. He wants to be Dwayne Wade. Oh my God! What the fuck is that? What a garbage dude. Jimmy Santos in the white shirt. Jimmy, step up. Jimmy, and no good. In and out. Here comes Pula Kikong. With a oh my goodness, what a shot by Pula Kikong. Here comes Jimmy, left side, posting it up, fade away, no good Jimmy. Here comes Pula, back it up Pula, touching his pee-pee, no touching there. Oh man, fading away, no good. Tama na yan, you guys suck.